Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? The food smell is yummy. The food smell is yummy. Can I have some bread? Can I have some bread? I want some more rice. I want some more rice. This is my favorite dish. This is my favorite dish. I am full, thank you. I am full, thank you. Can I have dessert after dinner? Can I have dessert after dinner? Can we have pizza tomorrow? Can we have pizza tomorrow? I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. Can I try something new? Can I try something new? I dropped my spoon. I dropped my spoon. The soup is too hot. The soup is too hot. I am done with my meal. I am done with my meal. Can I help clear the table? Can I help clear the table? May I have some juice, please? May I have some juice, please? What are we having for dinner? What are we having for dinner? I didn't like the vegetables. I didn't like the vegetables. Thank you for the food. Thank you for the food. Can I have more, please? Can I have more, please? Can I help washes the dishes? Can I help washes the dishes?